2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.